What's up everyone? Welcome. We have another fun and exciting video for you today. So today we are doing grilled teriyaki chicken with like a simple Japanese style dirty rice, I guess. Since we're doing teriyaki chicken, I didn't want to do just plain rice. So I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Share this with your friends and family. Let's do this. Okay, so we got a couple things going on. One, I got my sauce going, and in my sauce, it's just basic teriyaki ingredients. I got brown sugar, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, some honey, a little bit of rice vinegar, and then a little bit of sesame oil. Very simple, very basic. And then also to thicken it, I got a little bit of cornstarch and water, and I'll put the full recipe and the exact measurements in the description below for you guys. But we're gonna start with our chicken. So because I am making a sauce with the chicken, I'm not gonna do a whole lot to the chicken because there's a lot going on and I don't need to overkill it. So I'm just gonna simple salt and pepper these. Okay, and then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these just because. So I'm gonna let these go for a few minutes, and then once I flip them over, I'll get started on the rice. All right, so I flipped my chicken. My chicken's still got a couple minutes, but let's start on this rice. So the first thing is I'm gonna cook my veggies. All right, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, I got a couple cups of leftover rice. Okay, and then to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, a touch more sesame oil. I don't wanna use too much. I got some garlic paste. I'm gonna add a little bit of mirin. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger paste. And then I don't have any Thai chilies, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of crushed red pepper. Okay, give that a good mix. Okay, that's simple, and that's the rice. Our sauce is getting nice and bubbly and thick, and our chicken's just about done. So once our chicken's done, we'll baste the sauce on our chicken, and then we'll try it out. All right, so these chicken breasts are done. My sauce is done and it's nice and thick. So we're gonna go ahead and brush these with the sauce. Got that nice dark color to it. Okay, those just need about 30 seconds on each side. All right, let's plate this up and try it out. All right, so I got my rice, okay? And then I got my chicken, like so. And there is your teriyaki chicken and Japanese style dirty rice. Let's try this out. All right, so try this chicken out. Cheers. That's pretty tasty. I've never actually made teriyaki sauce, or at least that I can remember. And if I have, it's definitely been a while. But, and it's got a subtle heat at the end. That's pretty good. I like that. All right, so now let's try the rice. Cheers. So it's almost got that bite like sushi rice does. I do like that I added the red pepper flakes, so any type of chili would be great with this. But it almost tastes like sushi rice, and I like that. And I'm okay with that. It does definitely have like a peppery taste to it because of the crushed red pepper, but I would say overall, pretty solid dish. Well guys, there you have it. Teriyaki chicken with, I guess, Japanese style dirty rice. If you like this video again and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Share this with your friends and family. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.